So as I was reviewing this video, I realized that I made a pretty big mistake, and that mistake being that my to lower and to upper functions shouldn't modify the string. Instead, they should probably modify a different string. So instead of doing this in my to lower and to upper function, I should pass it the string that we want to convert, and we can leave string as is, and we can say source, and instead modify the source. So we can say instead of doing that, what we can do is take and do a string copy of source into my string. So we can say string and we can say source, and I think this is sufficient now to work with converting the string and returning my string. That way we don't modify the source, because you may want to continue to hold the original source and return that. And we can do the same thing for string to lower. And that way you have a brand new string that is copied into. And so when we do the compare ignore case, we can take this, we can really eliminate all of this and not worry about modifying the original strings, because we're not modifying the original strings. We can say so for compare ignore case, we can take those and convert them over to upper and to lower. And actually, we can take a pointer but I think we still run into the same very similar problem, because in order for us to do that, we have to allocate the memory. So this, it still has its issues. So we might still want to do this. We may still want to do this, in which case we still have to know the size of comparing ignore case, and then but instead we can say holder 1 S1, holder 2 S2. So it takes care of our problem on the other end, but it doesn't necessarily take care of the problem here. We still have to have something to hold those values in order to do compare ignore case. There's a way we can get away with it instead of even copying them and reusing the functions, and that's just simply converting, comparing without ignoring case, and we can do that by navigating them. So a better way, which is a longer route, would be probably to compare each individual character. I leave that as a challenge to you though. Compare the characters, fix this so you don't have to worry about the right sizing, and just compare by using the is lower in its upper function or to lower to upper function to compare the strings. But I can leave that up to you. And one of the things that we want to do here, so we have to create a holder, and let's just create it with 100, and let's see if our functions still work. And that should still work. And they did not work. Why didn't they work? So let's see, string to upper, string to lower, and they didn't work. So let's go take a look and see why holder. Oh, because I'm displaying this, and it should be holder. That's where the value is stored. So let's try it again, and now it works. So that's really a better way to do this, and so you won't have to modify your string. You just do that. And remember, you don't want to modify strings that you have, because you may want to actually hold on to the original value. So now, for really, until next time, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you learned from it. And if you like it, please subscribe, and because I have more videos coming your way. So I'll keep sharing the knowledge. If you have any questions, leave your comment below. If you want access to the source code, it will be in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.